Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kushbu and today I'm gonna be taking you to Northern Ireland, and we are landing in Belfast, which is the capital city of Northern Ireland, and we will be staying in Belfast for the next couple of days. So for the day one we have decided to do the city tour, and this is our first stop, which is the Ulster Museum. The museum has a lot of interesting things related to the history of Northern Ireland. And since Northern Ireland is one of the Game of Thrones filming location, you will find really interesting things related to Game of Thrones like Three Dragons, Iron Throne, and a lot of other stuff. And now we are at the second stop for the day, which is the Queen's University. This university was so huge and so beautiful inside out. So guys, if you are going to Belfast city, I would highly recommend visiting Queen's University. I'm sure you all will love it. We were walking around the city going to our next spot, and we found this really pretty place, so thought of capturing it for you all. And now we are approaching to Belfast City Hall. Look at this guys, this was really beautiful. We have taken so many good pictures. We have spent a really good time here, and I would highly recommend to visit this place if you are in Belfast. So this was my favorite spot of the city and the last spot for the day one. So after a tiring yet fantastic day, we found this place really beautiful, relaxing, calming, and so peaceful. So this is a quick tour of our stay for the next couple of days. this was all about the day one in the Belfast and the Northern Ireland. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.